It's the Maverick. As you can see, we're here at LSU. I actually go to LSU. I'm a grad student. We just watched the LSU versus Kentucky game, the men's basketball game, and that game went crazy. It was literally like 1.6 seconds, and the Kentucky player shot and won the game. I lost $10, so I'm not really happy about that. But make sure y'all tune into this video. Keep watching. So make sure y'all keep watching so y'all can see all those details. Peace. What's good, y'all? It's the Maverick, and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk. And today, as you can see, we have the Flint Gray French Blue 9s. But before we get into the review, make sure if y'all haven't watched the Wolf Gray 5s, I also have the Nego Air Force 3s out. I also have the Bugs Bunny video. So if you haven't watched those videos, make sure y'all go watch those videos. I also have the Flight Club 4 video as well. So make sure y'all go watch those videos as soon as y'all finish this one. Still on the road to 10K subscribers. We're trying to get to 10K by December 31st. I believe that we can do it. So make sure y'all keep subscribing and keep sharing the page. All right, this is the box it comes in. And they're calling it the French Blue 9s. They're usually called the Flint Gray. The top of the box is like a matte gray color. It has the blue on it, blue Jumpman. It has Air Jordan. They come wrapped like this. I'm gonna show y'all the size tag. This is how they're looking. We have that white leather upper. We also have the Flint Gray nubuck all around the shoe. Have that French blue here on the eyelets and also on the tongue. The tongue says Air Jordan. These are the laces. We have those rope laces. On the back, we have a 23 in that blue color. This is what the bottom looks like. Got the Jumpman on the bottom. These are coming out the 24th, January 24th. And they also are full family sizing. So the men pair is $215 and then the grade school is $155. Also on the tongue here, we kind of have like this, I would say like a nice feel-good material. Kind of looks like some old gym short material, but it's like spongy. Forgot to mention the Jumpman right here. White leather is also like that wrinkled, good, nice quality leather. Let me know in the comments if y'all copping or y'all dropping. I know it's a lot of shoes that's dropping these next couple months. Know that I've seen a lot of Valentine's Day shoes. Got the Flight Clubs, the Wolf Grays, got many other shoes, SBs, all types of shoes dropping. So let me know in the comments if it's something that's worth picking up. Also, I don't think that these are going to sell out. They might sit, they might not. I just don't see it selling out. There's so many other shoes to get, but tax time is coming, so they might turn around and sell out. But yeah, this is a clean shoe. I'm not the biggest fan of 9s, but I like the colors.
But this pretty much wraps up the review. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Again, these are coming out January 24th, full family sizing. So make sure if y'all like these French blue Flint grade 9s, y'all go cop that. All right, y'all, before we wrap up the review, make sure y'all be on the lookout for these videos. We have the Dion Diamond Turfs. I'm going to be doing that video soon. Also, the Bronx Girl SBs. And lastly, the Sauconys, however y'all want to say it, the Politics collab with Sauconys. I'll be doing reviews on all of those. And if you watched all the way to this point, drop a blue and white heart in the comments. All right, y'all. Peace.
You beat the body in the studio. They say my style is original. I'm getting money upgraded from a criminal. Had to take my lick, watch me do my dab, hit a voicemail.